Awesome business opportunity. Hail damage facts. It's a known fact hail causes approximately $1 billion in damages annually in the United States alone to houses, commercial building, cars, crops and literally everything in its path. You can make an excellent income helping other people repair their storm-damaged properties at no cost to them except for their already agreed-upon insurance deductible. Having this knowledge, this system is not even like selling anything at all. You do not even need to know anything about completing any of the repairs, selling roofs, gutters or siding or even selling jobs at all. You could just simply sign people up to complete their repairs at no cost to them except for their insurance deductible and subcontract the repairs out to professionals and make the additional 20% above the final contract price. Just for overseeing the jobs if you want to anytime 3 or more trades are damaged. Hailstorms usually damage at least 3 trades, roof, siding and gutters for example. And what if I told you that you do not need to know anything about completing the repairs yourself either or about selling jobs to make an unlimited income? There are ways you can overcome these minor obstacles and still make an excellent income. In fact, I always completed as many of the repairs I wanted and subcontracted the rest of the repairs out to professionals in whichever field I needed to complete the repairs in myself. But if you are skilled at any of the items that are damaged you can do those repairs yourself and make even more money. That's exactly what I used to do before getting hit by a drunk driver. The wreck injured my brain causing me to have a major disabling stroke, which is the reason I can't do this anymore. By charging exactly what insurance companies pay selling the jobs is very easy. Most contractors use a standard contract, but you will learn that it is much better and easier using an agreement and supplement agreements to get work which are already inserted in the software. Before learning how to do this I gave someone an estimate for $100 a square to replace their roof and the insurance company quickly denied it. That was probably exactly what I needed because after asking the adjuster why they denied my estimate, he said it was because it was not itemized. With his guidance I re-estimated the damages and the insurance company ended up paying nearly twice the amount of my original estimate. All of this information is covered in my ebook and the exact wording you need for easily getting jobs is already inserted inside the estimate writing software. Average homeowner hail claims range between $7,500 to $10,000 and commercial property claims can easily exceed $100,000. Insurance companies are a trillion-dollar industry and they pay very good as long as you know what you are doing. There is plenty of storm damage out there already so you can get started as soon as you learn this system. With this knowledge you will be able to make money anytime storms damage property. It does not matter what type of storm it is. Hail, wind or flood. You can also help people settle their earthquake and fire claims with this knowledge. Grab your share of this highly profitable storm damage repair business today.